Welcome to the Knowledge Academy YouTube channel. If you're thinking about a career in health and safety, you've probably come across IOSH and NEBOSH certifications. But which one is right for you? Let's break it down simply. What is IOSH? IOSH stands for the Institution of Occupational Safety and Health. It offers short, practical courses designed for people who want to manage safety in their teams or workplaces. One of the most popular IOSH courses is IOSH Managing Safely. It's perfect for managers, supervisors, and team leaders who need a basic, practical understanding of workplace safety. What is NEBOSH? NEBOSH stands for the National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health. NEBOSH offers more detailed and technical health and safety qualifications. The most popular is the NEBOSH General Certificate, which is highly respected worldwide. It's ideal for people who want to specialize in health and safety as a long-term career. Key differences between IOSH and NEBOSH. Course length. IOSH courses are usually short, around 3 to 4 days. NEBOSH courses can take several weeks to complete. Level of detail. IOSH gives you essential safety knowledge. NEBOSH offers in-depth, technical safety training. Target audience. IOSH is great for managers and team leaders who need to manage safety as part of their job. NEBOSH is better for people who want to work full-time in health and safety roles. Recognition. Both are well-respected, but NEBOSH is more widely recognized globally, especially for specialized safety jobs. Which certification should you choose? Choose IOSH if you want to. Quickly improve your safety knowledge. Manage safety as part of your existing role. Learn basic risk management and safety responsibilities. Choose NEBOSH if you want to. Build a professional career in health and safety. Gain a more technical, globally recognized qualification. Apply for safety officer, advisor, or manager roles. Both IOSH and NEBOSH are valuable. It's about choosing the one that fits your career goals, job needs, and the depth of knowledge you want to achieve. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more career tips and training advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.